Elias, the wise old fisherman, stands calmly by the window of his modest home, watching the chaos unfold. His eyes, though aged, hold a steady resolve that has seen many storms come and go. Among them is Leo, a young man whose life has been upended by the storm. He approaches Elias, seeking solace.
How can you remain so calm?
Leo asks, his voice trembling. Elias smiles gently, handing Leo a small, weathered lantern.
This light is like hope,
He explains, as they walk through the devastated marketplace. Leo watches in awe as his neighbors begin rebuilding, their actions fueled by the small flame of hope that Elias spoke of.
But how can a tiny light help us rebuild our lives?
He wonders aloud. Elias places the lantern in Leo's hands, a symbol of the resilience they must embrace.
Hold on to this light, Leo.
He advises.
Focus on the small steps you can take today.
Leo, now a leader among his people, carries the lessons of the storm within him. He knows that staying positive isn't about ignoring the darkness, but finding the light that guides them forward.